In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva. First, create a canvas. Let's say I want to create a canvas with 500 by 500. So this is my canvas and my QR code. Now click the app section and search on QR code. So you will find a couple of options available, but I want to go with a very simple QR code generator. Click here and click open, and now give your URL. So let's say I want to generate QR code for my YouTube channel. So copy the link here and paste it here. Now click generate code button and your QR code is ready. Now just adjust it and download it. Click share button, click here and click select the file as a PNG file and now download it. So that's it. Your QR code is ready. If you scan your QR code, it will redirect to my YouTube channel. That's it. In this way, you can generate QR code using Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment very soon.